Hello ladies, firstly I should apologise for coming on with naturally dried fuzzy looking hair, the new look. I've no time to dry my hair, I'm absolutely run off my feet. So I just wanted to come on and do a little clip just as an intro to the video that you're about to see, where I break down exactly what comes in our Firm and Glow gift set. So if you're interested to see what's inside, then stay tuned and I would love to hear your feedback. As I was saying, the winter kits, the Christmas sets with IMAGE A.D.S, these are incredible savings and they absolutely flew out the first time. So I'm just going to show you quickly what comes in them. So you can see they're like completely jam-packed with products. First out is you have the Cryo Roller, which is, you put it in the freezer. You take it out 5 minutes before using it, and it's great for depuffing the skin. It's great for lymph drainage, removing toxins and excess fluid from the skin, working on puffy eyes, helping keep your pores tight. And it's an absolute game changer for migraines. You probably won't believe me till you use it. I didn't believe it either until I used it. It's unbelievable. It allows me to continue working every day because I nearly get a headache every day. No joke. I don't know what's wrong with me lately. But it also promotes blood circulation, brings a rush of oxygen to the surface of the skin. It reduces inflammation, redness, great for after if you have your home rollers. It's a great addition for anybody having laser hair removal. It's great for removing the redness and cooling down the skin after laser. Shaving rashes, use after that, suits the skin. So it's good for many reasons. Wasp stings, oven-borne stings. It gets used so much in my house. So that's in your kit, and then you also get your full range of rollers. You get your 0.5, your 0.2 and your Target stamper, which I have out of the packs here, which I'll just show you really quickly. 0.2, 0.5 and your Target stamper for anybody who's never seen them. A lot of people start with the 0.2. If you get this kit, you'll most likely start with 0.2, build your tolerance up for the 0.5. And then your stamper can be used 2 to 3 times a week. You could use your 0.5 once a month for like the deeper lines and wrinkles, open pores, for just general skin health, to keep that blood circulation moving, keep everything working, remove dead skin cells, promote that healthy, fresh layer of skin up to the surface by removing dead skin. And your 0.2 is nice to go in every week. Great for inducing skincare products as well. If you have nice expensive skincare products at home, you're going to increase the effectiveness of your products as well by applying it on afterwards. And then you also get in your kits, I'm just going through these really quickly because this is a long story, the Shape and Shave. So the Shape and Shave is a hair removal and dermaplaning tool. It is the most ladylike way that you can remove hair from your face for anybody getting laser hair removal done. Best to use one of these instead of a razor, but at the same time it removes peachy fuzz, gives your skin a nice like soft complexion, and like a little bit of definition around the eyebrows. Wouldn't recommend go shaping your eyebrows, but can definitely remove all that extra fluff that sits on top and give them more definition. But it also can remove dead skin cells at the same time, which is something you probably heard of, dermaplaning as a professional treatment, which its purpose is to remove the dead skin from. So as you go along with this tool, you will actually see the dead skin coming off as well as the hair. So yeah, it's such a handy tool to have, you know, especially if you shave the face, or it can be used on other areas of the body too. You get 2 in this pack, so it's really good value. I'll actually just, this one is such high quality. As you can see here, if you've already ever used like a dermaplaning tool, I can guarantee you it did not look like this one. But look at the like shine of it. It's such good quality, and I'm not just saying that. So as I said, you get 2 in the pack with this, and this also comes in your kit. Then you also get your Luma skincare hyaluronic serum, which is your 30ml, which I've already gone through. And you've got all of this inside the cosmetic bag as well, which includes a little pouch that you can put your little skincare samples in, and then you've got this other little pouch that is handy for putting your dermaplaning tool in, because you're probably not going to be holding onto the packets. And then inside the bag you have a few little compartments that can hold the likes of your glass bottles so they don't go smashing on you. And it's just handy to keep all your skin bits in one place, like this potters around the house with me, but mainly stays in the bathroom. This here is the Cryo Roller out of the pack. I generally just hold on to the plastic packaging that it comes in, and I pop it, when I use it, I wash it, pop it back in the plastic bag, and it goes back in the freezer. I'm now going to go off with my serum and roll with my cryo, considering it's out. And oh, I never told you the price. You get all of those products, your 3 rollers, your Shape and Shave, your 30ml hyaluronic, and your Cryo Roller. Normally $190, but you're getting all of that for just $120, so it's an absolute steal. So I hope you can grab yourself a few deals. Any questions, let me know and we'll chat tomorrow. I'm gonna go, bye. So that's your Firm and Glow gift set. That's the large one, but we do also have, I just want to show you quickly here, the Roll and Glow gift set, which is smaller. It's reduced from €85 down to $59.99. It includes your 0.5 home Derma roller. You also get your Cryo Roller. You get your 2% hyaluronic serum and your cosmetic bag. And there's savings of €25 on that. So both of them are currently in stock and you can view them on the website. If you have any questions, you can get back to us through email here or contact us in clinic.